Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring Docker Engine and Compose are installed because Compose orchestrates containers for you. Create a Docker Compose. YAML in your project root and declare services. Web, DB, cache as needed. For each service, specify image, ports, volumes, and environment keys so containers talk and persist data. Once done, run Docker Compose config to validate syntax and see merge settings. This prevents runtime surprises and ensures Docker reads the intended configuration. You next build and launch your multi-container app. Run Docker Compose up build to rebuild images and start services in one step. Monitor progress with Docker Compose logs F for real-time output and Docker Compose PS to verify service state. If services depend on each other, add depends on and health check blocks so Compose waits for readiness rather than just start order. Make sure ports map correctly and volumes mount where your app expects. This avoids permission and data visibility issues when containers run. You finish by managing lifecycle. Use Docker Compose down to stop and add volumes when you need fresh state. To scale horizontally, run Docker Compose upscale service equals 3 for multiple replicas of stateless services. When problems occur, inspect logs and container details. Docker Compose logs, Docker inspect, and Docker Compose PS reveal misconfigurations. One key troubleshooting tip. If a service fails to reach another, check the service name used as host name, network aliases, and health check timings. Adjusting retries or dependencies usually fixes timing-related failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.